In this video, I am going to walk you guys through the entire process of ordering the samples, customizing packaging and choosing the best factory and the best quality products. Hi, my name is Sammy. I am an Amazon FBA seller. If you guys watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel because I share awesome content related to Amazon FBA and private label business model. So before we begin our video, let's check the sales for today and let's check if coronavirus has impacted my sales or not. So I am into my Amazon seller app. This is only from one single product. And as I have already said, my first product is shipped by my factory and it should reach India by 30 days, and hope import remains open at the time my shipment arrives. So if you guys are following my channel, then you must know in the past videos we have discussed about choosing a product and finding suppliers that will manufacture the exact same product that we are looking for. So you have to find at least 2 or 3 factories that would manufacture the exact same kind of product that you are looking to launch. We will first discuss about ordering samples of the product that do not need any major customization or modification from the current version that the factory has. So after choosing 2 or 3 factories, we ask them to send samples to our location. And if your product has 2 or 3 colors, then you should also take the samples of that colors too, because the colors in images looks different than in real eyes. And you should always check your samples by your own eye, no matter how trustworthy your factory looks. Now your factory would generally provide you one quotation in which they will provide the sample cost and the shipping cost to your location. Now I mainly use FedEx and DHL for shipping my samples because they generally take 2 to 3 days maximum. So generally the sample cost that your factory provides will be a little bit higher. And after ordering few samples and after getting a bit experienced in ordering samples, you can influence your factory to get you free samples and they will just charge the shipping cost to you. Now comes the payment of the samples to your factory. So you can use PayPal or you can also ask your factory to create an Alibaba order in which you can pay through debit card or credit card. And for PayPal, creating a PayPal account is same as creating a Google account. It's very simple and it would take less than 15 minutes to set it up. Now before you pay to your factory, you have to decide whether you are ordering by your personal name or your business name. Now if you order through your personal name, then you can ask your factory to send it as a gift and you can save the custom duties. Though for last few sample orders that I received, I have to pay custom duty in few of them. Though I order through my personal name. So it depends on the custom. So it depends on the Indian customs whether they will charge for the products or not. Now after paying for the samples, it would generally take 3 to 7 days for your samples to get delivered to you. Now after 3 to 7 days, the samples from all the factories gets delivered to you. Let's assume you have ordered samples from 3 factories. So after the samples getting delivered from all the 3 factories, what you have to do is you have to inspect and check the quality of which factory provides the best quality product, as all the products are same but the quality will differ a lot. So you have to choose the best quality product and the best factory. After choosing the best factory, you have to prepare a branded packaging for your products from a package designer. Now if you are a beginner and confined by your budget, then what you can do is you can look for freelancers from Upwork or Fiverr to do the packaging design for you. Then you send the package design to your factory and ask them to prepare 2 or 3 samples with the branded packaging of your brand and ask them to send to your address. Now this will be our final samples. So we have to put all the product inserts, all the bundle items, and make sure the product comes as it will be delivered to our customers. You have to put all the product inserts and the bundle items if your factory provides them and gets the samples delivered to you. Now we are ordering 2 or 3 final samples because we'll keep 1 or 2 for quality checking purpose and we'll send 1 for taking the pictures of the product. So we have discussed earlier about how we differentiate and customize our products by reading the negative reviews of our competitors. So now we will discuss about ordering samples for this type of products, where we have to change or customize some parts of the products or change the design of the product based on the negative reviews. So this process is a little complicated. So for this process, you have to first choose a factory that agrees to do the necessary modification that you want, and that agrees to provide the product according to your need. And it's hard to find a factory that would agree for your terms, especially as Alibaba has maximum trading company instead of manufacturers. So first you have to choose 2 or 3 factories that manufactures the same type of product and that agrees for the necessary modifications. So we'll choose 2 or 3 factories and ask them to change the product according to our need, and also we'll provide the packaging design to them and ask them to send the modified samples with the branded packaging of our brand. So again, if the quality of one factory doesn't go through our expectation, then we can choose from other 2 factories, and then we will decide on the best quality product. Because always what happens is the images that your factory sends and the final product that you get in your hand differs a lot in the quality. So you have to choose the best quality factory that produces the best quality product, and then finalize that factory for your production. Especially you have to take care of the quality. If your product has various moving parts, you have to take samples until you get the final product. Do not just trust on the images. So in major cases, the 2 or 3 customized products that we are ordering with customized packaging cost a little bit higher than normal, and you have to bear the charges, as we are not compromising with the quality of the products and preventing to get negative reviews later on, though you can expect to get the sample cost back from your factory after placing an order with them. So if you guys are liking the content so far, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel and help me reach my goal of getting 1000 subscribers by August. So if you guys have any queries, then just comment below and we can discuss in details. And again, thank you for watching this video.